What programs were in LBJ's Great Society? Imagine a time in American history when the nation was striving for equality and progress. In the 1960s, President Lyndon Baines Johnson introduced a series of initiatives aimed at transforming the social fabric of the United States. This ambitious vision, known as the Great Society, sought to eliminate poverty and racial injustice while improving education, health care, and the environment. To understand the scope of the Great Society, it is essential to look at its key programs. One of the most notable was Medicare, established in 1965, which provided health insurance to individuals aged 65 and older, ensuring access to medical care for millions of senior citizens. Another significant program was Medicaid, created to assist low-income individuals and families with health care costs, expanding coverage to those who needed it most. Education was also a focal point of the Great Society. The Elementary and Secondary Education Act of 1965 aimed to improve educational opportunities for children in low-income areas by providing federal funding to schools. This legislation marked a significant shift in the federal government's role in education. The war on poverty was a central theme of the Great Society, leading to the establishment of various programs designed to combat economic hardship. The Economic Opportunity Act of 1960 created several initiatives, including Job Corps, which offered vocational training to young people, and Head Start, which provided early childhood education to disadvantaged children. In addition to education and health care, the Great Society included efforts to protect the environment. The National Wilderness Preservation System was expanded, and the Clean Air Act of 1963 laid the groundwork for future environmental regulations aimed at reducing pollution. Civil rights also played a crucial role in Johnson's vision. The Civil Rights Act of 1960 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965 were landmark pieces of legislation that sought to end discrimination and ensure voting rights for all citizens, particularly African Americans in the South. These programs collectively aimed to create a more equitable society, addressing the needs of the most vulnerable populations. While the Great Society faced challenges and criticisms, its legacy continues to influence American social policy today. Through these initiatives, President Johnson sought to build a better future for all Americans, leaving a lasting impact on the nation.